Fix in 5. P0615. Starter relay circuit, open or short. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Vehicle will not crank or start. No click sound from starter relay when ignition is turned on. Dashboard warning light illuminated. Electrical clicking at starter location. Now the most likely causes. Faulty starter relay. Damaged starter relay circuit wiring. Corroded or loose battery connections. Failed battery or low battery voltage. Defective starter motor. What does it cost? Roughly €15 minus 45 doing it yourself, or €95 minus 125 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace faulty starter relay with OEM or equivalent unit. Repair or replace damaged wiring in starter relay circuit. Clean and reconnect battery terminals. Apply dielectric grease. Charge or replace battery if voltage is insufficient. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. People also ask, will P0615 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0615 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0615. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.